case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a striking Texas legal case in 1973, plaintiffs Joe W. Matthews and Paul Thorpe found themselves embroiled in a proxy contest for the control of General Electrodynamics Corporation. Facing resistance over the acceptance of certain disputed proxies, the plaintiffs sought the court's assistance. Initially, the local court provided them injunctive relief, a potent legal tool often reserved for situations where conventional remedies won't suffice. However appealing this seemed, it brewed a sense of uncertainty among the defendants who decided to appeal the decision. As the case escalated, the court underlined the exceptional nature of injunctive relief, asserting that it should only be deployed when standard courses of legal action aren't adequate. The plaintiffs were pushing for this extraordinary remedy, arguing that without it, they would fall victim to irreparable harm. The defendants had planned to wrap up the election based on an inaccurate vote count, which stoked fears within the plaintiffs. In a significant turn of events, the court eventually decided to reverse and dissolve both the temporary injunction and the initial decree. This left the plaintiffs to cover their own legal expenses, yet the corporation was spared. Strikingly, the court dismissed the overall action and suggested quo warranto, a legal process for challenging an individual's right to hold public office, as the viable remedy for settling disputes about corporate control in Texas. As the case concluded, valuable lessons surfaced about the roles and limitations of election inspectors. They aren't authorized to verify identities of shareholders beyond what the corporation's records provide. They can only ascertain the validity of proxies. Furthermore, voting eligibility is fundamentally anchored to these corporate records, and disagreements over beneficial ownership can't invalidate an election. Undoubtedly, this decision underscored the complex dynamics of proxy contests, offering instructive insights for future disputes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.